Hello everyone, good day to you all. You're welcome to my live session. So we'll wait for some other persons to join. When we have at least a reasonable number, a reasonable amount of viewers, then we can start solving the problems. So today we're going to look at some problems under acid, bases, and salts. So we're going to solve as much mathematical problems as we can under this topic. So I welcome you all to my live as you join my live session today. I welcome you all to my live session. So if you have at least up to like 10, if you have at least up to like 10 viewers, then we can begin immediately solving the problems, okay? So I welcome you all. You're welcome to my live session once more. So I'm waiting to get more viewers so we can begin. So in the next let's say 4 minutes, we're going to start solving the problems. We have enough questions to solve. Please viewers, please kindly, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video on this channel. So I welcome you all once again. So right now we have about 4 subscribers online. We need more so that we can start, please. Aisha Bande, I can see you online. Thank you for joining our live session. You're welcome. Please kindly invite family and friends to join. We're going to start soon.
I to do my assignments now. So the next time, let's do 10 minutes training to start solving the problems. We have the next so Mommy, look at me. I'm going to Hey! Hey! You want this for water in the chair? I click on the notification button so that we will notify every time I upload a new video on this channel. So I welcome you all once again. So right now we have about 12 subscribers online so that we can start this. Human member, I can see you online. Thank you for joining our live session.
So, viewers, I welcome you all once more to my live session. So, let's start with the question we have on the board. The question reads, a sodium hydroxide solution is prepared by dissolving 2.50 grams to make 2.00 liter of solution. Calculate the hydroxide and the hydrogen ion concentration. So, before we begin solving this problem, I would love to give us some of the formulas we need to know under this is under the acid, the bases, and the salts. So let's take note of these formulas. So viewers, let's all take note of the formulas we have on the board because we're going to use the formula to solve the problems.
Let's have quick look at the formulas we have on the board because we're going to use the formula to solve the problem.
So we have about 5 subscribers online. Please, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, please kindly click subscribe to this channel and also please click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, so let's start solving. Sodium hydroxide solution. We know that the formula for sodium hydroxide is what? NaOH, right? They say it is prepared by dissolving to make prepared by dissolving 2.50 grams. So what this means is the mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to 2.50 grams. Okay, to make 2.00 liter of solution. So what this means is that what this once we see the word liter stands for the volume. So this is the volume of sodium hydroxide. The volume is what? 2.00 liter. So we have to calculate the hydroxide and hydrogen ion concentration. So this is the hydroxide ion concentration, this is the unknown. The other unknown is this is the hydrogen ion concentration, and this is the hydroxide ion concentration. So we have two unknowns in this case. We are given the mass and we are given the volume. So we are going to start solving now. So the first thing we are going to do is to write the equation of reaction. The equation of the reaction. So this is sodium hydroxide. And if you're writing the equation of reaction of sodium hydroxide, we know this is going to be what? Na plus what? OH minus. So this is the balanced equation for the reaction. This is step 1. Okay? So we are going to bring out some formulas. We know that number of moles is equal to what? No, not that. Before then, we have now we have the mass and the volume, right? We have the mass and the volume given in this question. And what we are looking for is what? We are looking for the hydrogen ion concentrate for the first time. Kindly subscribe to this channel. We still need to get more views so as to make this more interactive. So let's write some formulas here. You know that moles is given as what? Mass divided by what? Molar mass, right? So we're going to use this formula here, and also we don't have the molarity in this question given. So to get the molarity is going to be the moles divided by the volume. So with all of these formulas we have stated here, we'll be able to solve this question. So viewers, we are yet to begin. We're just starting though. We're just starting. So let's continue. We can see some people are leaving and rejoining, so we'll just continue that way. So now let's begin. In this case, we need to get the moles because we have the mass, so but we don't have the molar mass, so we have to calculate the molar mass here. Or let's calculate it here. First, we need to calculate molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So the atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. So we're going to calculate this 23 plus 16 plus 1. This gives us what? 40. So the molar mass is what? 40 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. So since we've got the mass now, we can get the moles. So the moles is equal to the mass. The mass has been given in the question as 2.50. So now we're going to have a value of what? 2.50 divided by the molar mass, which is 40. So dividing 2.50 by 40, we are going to have the moles as what? 0.0625 moles. So we've gotten the moles. So what we need to get next is the molarity. And we know that the molarity is what? Is number of times the what? Volume, right? So the molarity is going to 0.0625 divided by the what? Divided by the volume. And the volume is given as 2.00 liters. So it's going to be 2.00. So as I mentioned earlier, looking at the values, we have some parameters given. So viewers, I want to know, hope you are all clear with this at this point so that we can move on.